In this scenario, we will talk about cross-browser testing. Cross-browser testing means testing an application or testing a scenario in different browsers, either sequentially or parallelly. So we will discuss it both the ways, SRC and new class. So I'm giving the class name is CrossBrowsers. So I'm creating a class called public void test Google search. The rate test. So import test package. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Import this Chrome driver. System dot set property. System dot set property. Here key and value. Key is WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and value is you need to provide the Chrome driver dot exe path. It is provided. It is located under drivers. Here Chrome driver dot exe file. Maximize the screen. Next, maximize the screen. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Just before closing the application, just wait for 5 seconds so that you can see the output clearly. So I'm using thread.sleep. 5 seconds. Here I'm not interested to handle the exception, I'm throwing it. Close application. Driver dot close. So let me launch the application. Open application. So driver dot get http google dot right. Sys out title of the page is driver dot get title. Run as test-ng test. Right now, I'm just testing the scenario in Chrome browser. The same scenario we'll try to verify in other browsers sequentially, one after another and parallel. Okay. So for this, what you need to do is, first you need to take another annotation is called @parameters. @parameters. So inside you need to take something like browser. So this browser value, which is coming from the testng.xml, this browser value, we will define it in the testng.xml. So this is the argument or key value. For that there will be a value. So this value it will be coming from the testng.xml. So based on that browser value, whatever it is there, the corresponding browser will be triggered. Okay, so here you need to pass the argument string browser name. So whatever the value is coming here, that value is going to pass it to the test case. I mean, this test case method. Okay, now if browser name equal ignore case, if browser name equals ignore case, if it is Chrome, that means if browser name, if it is equal to the Chrome, so you can put either small letters or uppercase letters. So here we are ignoring the case. So if browser name is equal to the Chrome, then it will create object for the Chrome driver. Else if browser name equals to Firefox, then we need to create an object for the Firefox driver. So here Firefox driver is equal to new Firefox driver, right? So before that, we should point out system.setProperty key is webdriver.gecko.driver, and then value is the same. Value is what? gecko driver.exe file, right? Else if browser name dot equals, let's say here it is IE, then point out this IE driver, point out this IE driver. So under that drivers, this is the IE, right? So here create an object for the Internet Explorer driver is equal to new Internet Explorer driver. So we created an object for the three drivers: Chrome driver, Firefox driver, IE driver, based on the conditions. Else, so write no browser is invoked. So what you can do is, right now we created these objects within the block, so that's why here driver is not able to recognize. So what you need to do is, inside the Firefox driver. Okay, here we are getting duplication, duplicate variables. Okay, instead of using this Chrome driver, what I'll do is I'll declare it as WebDriver, because WebDriver is an interface. This is driver is equal to Chrome driver. This is so. Now we created an object for the corresponding browser based on the condition. Okay. So now what you need to do is you need to define these parameters in the testng.xml file. Right click on the project, testng, convert to testng. Right, click on finish. Now here, this is the suite. So under suite, I need to define these parameters under test. So parameter name is equal to let's say browser. So here whatever you mention browser. So here value is equal to let's say under that classes. Under classes, what is the class name we defined? The class name is crossbrowsers.java. Crossbrowsers.java. So I don't have any inside, I'm not defining any methods inside that. So what I'm doing is here I'm closing it. Right. So this is one particular test. Under this test, I'm trying to test with Chrome browser. Similarly, I'm defining another test with Firefox. I'm defining another test with IE. So this is for Chrome. So let's say I'm giving the test name is Chrome test cases. This test name. This one I'm defining, this test name is Firefox test cases. This is IE test cases. So now what I'll do is Firefox, and this is IE. So based on this corresponding condition, it is going to execute. Right. So here I defined 3 tests under suite. So first test is defined with Chrome. the second one is Firefox, and third one is IE. So now when you are running the test cases using this testng.xml file, run as testng sudo. So here it is going to run one after another. Why? Just a second.